Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write uppercase character Y. Bring your marker near to first line. Make curve here. Bring your marker downward on third line and make U shape. Now come up and touch the first line. Now move your marker straightly by our writing on this line. Touch the fourth line. By touching the fourth line, make loop here. Now move your marker diagonally upward, and after touching the third line, pick up your marker. Here is uppercase character Y. Once again, I'm writing here. Bring your marker near to first line, make curve here. Move your marker downward on third line. Bring your marker now upward on first line, make U shape. Now bring your marker straightly by our writing here on fourth line, make loop here and move your marker diagonally upward, and by touching the third line, now pick up your marker here. Here is uppercase character Y. We will meet in next video with next character. See you. Tada.